Welcome to Learn Karaoke.
The cat grabs a broom, swish, swish, swish. The hen holds a dustpan, quick, quick, quick. Sweeping the dust, making things neat. Now the house looks shiny and sweet. Cat and hen, working away. Tidy, tidy, every day. Helping out, making things bright. Everything's clean, oh what a sight. Out in the garden, clothes on the line. The cat clips shirts, looking so fine. The hen holds socks, up they go. The wind makes them dance to and fro.
Mix, mix, stir, stir, stir. The cat kneads dough, soft as fur. The hen cracks eggs, plop, plop, plop. Into the oven, bake then stop.
Water the flowers green and tall. The cat pours gently, don't spill at all. The hen flaps wings, gives a shake. Oh how lovely the garden will wake.
Trip, 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 oh dear, oh no. The cat grabs a wrench, tightens it slow. The hen says yes with a happy cheer. The water stops, the sink is clear. Blankets are fluffed, pillows in place. The hen makes cocoa, warm embrace. The cat curls up, cozy and bright. A perfect end to a busy night. Cat and hen, working away. Tidy, tidy, every day. Helping out, making things bright. Now it's time to say good night.
If you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos like this.